Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to use Windows File Recovery app in your Windows 10 operating system. And Windows File Recovery app is basically a command line app. This app is supported on Windows 10 version 2004 or later, and it is available free of cost on Microsoft Store. And this app can help you to recover data from hard drive sectors. Now let us see how you can get this app and how you can actually use to recover the deleted data. So you have to first open Microsoft Store, and using the search bar you have to search for Windows File Recovery app. As you can see, there is only one single result for the Windows File Recovery, and this app is the official app from Microsoft to recover deleted files on your system. So as you can see, the app page is here, and currently it is available for Windows 10 2004 or above, and you can read all the description for the app provided here. You can also visit this link at the bottom for the extended information on this app. So you can simply download the app free of cost from here. As I have already downloaded the app on my system, I will just click on launch, and after launching the app, see the command prompt window. But before that, you will see this USE prompt. So click yes in that, and after doing that, you will see this command prompt screen where some information about Windows File Recovery app has been provided so that you can use it. Basically, the main command for Windows File Recovery is this one, which I have highlighted. In that command, we have Windows File Recovery as the first, and then we have source drive and destination folder, and then mode, and then switches. Modes can be regular or extensive. Regular can be used for non-corrupted NTFS drives, while the extensive is suitable for all file systems. You can use the switches for filtering the search, and wildcards are allowed. You can see that in the example. You can also use the switch for searching for a specific file type using file extension, as you can see in the example. So to illustrate you the recovery, I will copy a simple command from the example and modify it with respect to my system. I have the source drive as C drive and the recovery drive is E drive, and inside the E drive I have created a recovered folder which will store all the recovered files. This is the folder I am talking about, and its location is E drive and then recovered folder. And here I am using regular mode because the drive is non-corrupted NTFS drive. Now I will press the enter key to execute this command. In the few moments, you will be asked whether to continue because the command is correct. If the command is not correct, you will be given an error here. So as the command is correct, I will be just pressing yes to continue. And as you can see that the files are being recovered now. So finally the progress has reached to 100%, and as you can see that around 166 files are recovered, and information about all the recovered files are logged here. For example, I am just seeing for the 160 file number 160. You can see that the file name is mentioned here, and to view recovered files you are asked to press Y or N. So simply press Y to view recovered files, and as you can see that it directly opened File Explorer, recovery location, and inside the recovered folder you can see that there are files recovered. Earlier this folder was empty and now it has recovered files, and it also have a recovery log here which can give you information about all of that recovery process we have performed. So inside the recovery log you can scroll down and locate all the files which are recovered. It will be helpful for you to locate a file which you were exactly looking forward to recover. It also mentioned total damaged files, total irrecoverable files, and total recovered files, as we have already seen in the command prompt window. So in this way you can recover permanently deleted files on your system using the Windows File Recovery app. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.